Sawadika! Hi guys! Welcome back to Marisa Thailand Buriram again. Today I went out for have some lunch and then I found a shop in Koh Samui that they have a very beautiful lingerie. So I would like to take that thing. Let's go to see what I got it. This is the first thing. It's a hair bow and t-shirt and apron. So let's go to see how sexy it is. Alright, so I'm gonna prepare everything. I'm already done shower and dry my hair, makeup on for a little bit. I hope you like it. It's sexy enough. Okay, let's go to see how dressed it is. Okay guys, so you can see how nice it is, how sexy, and just for me I'm feeling like okay, it's a little bit sexy and nice, but the quality of the fabric and all is just like, you know, very thin and cheaper quality, but it's just for you guys. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and ring the bell if you love this style. So sexy maid, sexy cooker, gonna go take some picture to show you more how sexy it is. And I got to say goodbye. See you next video, guys. Love you all.